Williams' mother called the judge an Uncle Tom. When the verdicts were read, Williams' father stood before the court and said, "I feel this is very unjust. I don't see how anyone could find my son guilty of anything. I just don't see it." The 23-year-old freelance photographer, this morning only a suspect, was optimistic. Tonight, as he left the courthouse, his mood had changed. He is now painted as the mass murderer, but according to Williams, he is innocent. "I just hope the person or persons who've committed these crimes can be brought to justice. I, more than anyone else, want to see this terror ended, but I did not do it." His lead attorney, Alvin Binder, said his team had put up a good fight and still believes there is a reasonable doubt, but agreed it was the fiber evidence that iced the cake for the state.
I think the fiber evidence was the hardest evidence to overcome. I don't know of anything else that I would have done differently than what we did, and I say that from the bottom of my heart.
Whether or not District Attorney Louis Slayton was pressured into making the arrest last June, the gamble paid off. The jury came back with the verdicts much sooner than anyone expected.
Well, I did say jigsaw puzzle, and I did say we'd put the pieces there where they could see the big picture. That meant it took a lot of pieces, and I don't describe any of them as stronger or weaker than the other.
What about the fiber?
The question of race popped up a lot tonight. Mrs. Williams' remarks about Uncle Tom. Binder even said a white man would have been treated differently. And the mother of victim Yosef Bell, a woman who prodded police into forming a task force several years ago, was very disappointed with the outcome.
Some people may say this is just sour grapes because they never have solved your son's death.
If I believe that Wayne Williams killed the other 12 that they claim, the same fibers that were found on those bodies were also found on Yusef's body, then I must believe that Wayne Williams killed my son. But since I don't believe that Wayne Williams killed anybody, I can't believe that Wayne Williams therefore killed my son. What it all boils down to is now we have Wayne Williams, 23, the 30th victim of the Atlanta slayings.